Hey guys, it's Shawn from webpianoteacher.com. We're live in the studio today from Waco, Texas. We're going to learn how to play a Todd Rundgren song. It's called Hello, It's Me. 1972, 1 year before I was born. It's a long time, huh, Carter? Actually, Carter's in the studio today. He's doing all the camera stuff. Remember the little kid that would scream and cry on the old videos way back? Well, he's here. Carter, say hi. We hear you on the microphone.
What's up?
All right. Yeah, he's back. He's 16 now. He's 6'3", and he's awesome. If I do say so myself. Well, we're going to do Todd Rundgren today. I got off track. Let me play a little bit of it for you, okay? So here we go. And go. One more time. Hello, it's me again. All right. So, great song. Kind of had a little trouble there on the intro, and I did better the second time through. Well, welcome to webpianoteacher.com, our online community where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. I'm going to help you to do both. That's what I've dedicated my life doing, is helping people to play piano. Okay, so we have just the first two measures up here, which get the song going. And I've combined, there's an organ sound and there's also a kind of a keyboard sound. And I've kind of combined them both to make a pleasing arrangement for us to just play. Because if we just play the keyboard part or just play the organ part, it's kind of missing. So I kind of mind melded them together so we could do both. All right, here's the part one. Okay, all the lessons are on the website for members. If you are a member, you can download the sheets. What are the advantages of being a member? Well, you can download the sheets. You also have access to thousands and thousands of lessons that I've done since Carter was a little baby for the past, I don't know, 13, 14 years now, however long it's been. And let's get to it, okay? So here we go. This is a Kawai MP11 SE in the studio today. We have concert grand sound that I just love. It's my favorite one to use. You know, the one that comes on when you just turn the thing on. And we're going to get going here. Not a beginner lesson, so if you are a beginner, please click WPT University at the top of my webpage. Go to the all-new Easy Piano Lesson Series. You'll learn some fun songs right off the bat that are real songs that you can have fun with that aren't so hard. So we have the bass in here. You know, the bass goes dum at the very beginning, and I just had to include that. You know, want a little kind of a staccato feel. So a little bit of lift. You can use a little pedal if you're very judicious about using it. But C, D, A, G is the first part. 5, 4, 1, 2, da 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 da. You don't have to play that if you just want to start with. It's fine, but if you want to go. So those bass lines are okay if they're not too complicated, and I don't think this one's too complicated, at least at the beginning. As soon as we hit that G in the right here, we're going to do G, B flat, D, F. All right, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 5 is my fingering. Then I'm going to change the top note to G. But as I keep the D and G on top, I'm going to keep the G and B flat going underneath. The keyboard is just doing this. Want to play chords, just stick with that G minor 7 and then stick with the F major 7, E, G, A, C when you get there. But bump, 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 G, back to F, another F, but it goes to G, B flat, C, F, because the organ part is going. Okay, and so that's on the top. So we have the best of both worlds there. So 1 and 2 and go. Okay. And then the bass goes da-da-dum again, C, D, A. And then we have. So here we have E, G, A, C, but I have a little hook on the A to flip up from G sharp. You can do your third finger if you can do that, because the organ goes. can do that. If not, just don't worry about it. Just play what's there, E, G, A, C, and don't worry about that little flip. Then you go G, C, and then A, D, and flip up from the A from a G sharp, back to G, C, one more G, C. If you want to keep the G, E going on the bottom, you can do that for the keyboard part. So we have, okay, slowly. So I didn't write, I guess I got lazy and didn't write out all the EGs there, but same deal as over here. All right, and then another dun-dun-dun-dun. So slowly, here we go. 1 and 2 and go. So I have a 2 there for a bracket. And you do that 2 times in a row, okay? One more time. All right, that is one of the harder parts of the song. Right there, I think, is the intro, getting those parts in there. I did, combine those 2 parts, but it's not so easy you have to work at it a little bit to make it work, but I think it really sounds like the original, especially if you use maybe a kind of electric piano sound if you have an electric piano to use at home. Guys, that's the part 1. I hope you had fun. We learned the whole thing on the site. Come over and join us. Talk to you later.